every time this jaguar that doesn't move is in this tree, and I'm completely irritated by it, but like, why does this keep visiting me? And then in that dream in 1996, I merged into this vision with the same jaguar, always in the same place in the tree. Long story short, I think, I didn't say it in the book, but we're 25 years later. I think it totally awakened a Kundalini experience, because in that moment, my awareness expanded beyond the self into a boundlessness. My energy body, which was very honed because I was a martial artist, was reconfiguring and expanding and contracting. So I'm in a dream state. I obviously had to be asleep for this to happen, but the whole body is going through a really deep experience. I hate to make meaning, but probably moving beyond linearity at the cellular level to truly sitting in transcendence, of which had been happening all my life, but I didn't know it. And shortly thereafter, the dream was 36 hours. I couldn't move. I could hear. I couldn't put a thought together or a word. And when I felt strong enough to go outside, I walked 10 steps, and the heat in my body just made me want to, excuse my language, vomit. And that was the beginning of what I call holding on by my fingernails as I moved further and further into transcendent dreaming.